So I was sent this Wilmore Power Tool Organizer holder to check out, and let's get started. So this is a 3-layer drill holder rack wall mount system, and it's great for power tool drills, heavy duty tool shelf. It's a tool rack where you could put screwdrivers and pliers and whatever fits in the mounting bolts on the wings on the sides of the unit, and it's great for easy storage. So it's multifunctional, that it could be mounted on a pegboard, which is pretty unique, and that's how I mounted mine. You could mount it on a wood wall, you could mount it on concrete, and you could mount it on a sheetrock because it comes with sheetrock capable screw system. Now this gives you all the nuts and bolts. It gives you a little Allen wrench with a Phillip head, and it also gives you a tiny little wrench. And when I put it together, it went together really quick. It has adequate washers, it has extra bolts, so this way you won't have no issues. It's very simple to put together, so it's pretty sturdy. You could load a maximum of 90 pounds of tools using the 4 mounts, and the top shelf could hold a load of 20 pounds, which is crazy, because all you really need it for is for chargers, maybe box screws, this and that. And I like the fact that if you place something on the shelves and it has the rim popping up around the shelves, this way it just doesn't slide off. So if it moves around on the top for any reason, it hits the edges and stays on the shelf. So that's a pretty cool design. And you can hang multiple drills. They could be corded, they could be battery powered, could be anywhere from screw guns, heat guns, pretty much nut drivers, impact drivers, whatever you need. And even if you just want to hang a couple of random things on there, the hooks are plenty sturdy to handle it. So this tool rack is well built, super sturdy, it goes together pretty clean, and it's a must-have if you got a serious or even a non-serious workshop.